racing just started. We have Shimarjo, break quickly at the start. Gifted talent, pure energy, Holy King, alam mo na yan. In the middle portion comes Mr. Cool, executive order, hoy, sobra na. Stratosphere comes next, Ali, while Cool Turner is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Shimarjo by about 4 lengths. Alam mo na yan, na win second. Running by the rail comes Pure Energy, moving up Holy King. Executive Order comes next. In the middle portion is Gifted Talent. Mr. Cool comes next. Oy, sobra na. Stratosphere, Ali, second last, while Cool Turner is still racing in 11th. Inside the tres octavo, we have Shimarjo by about 3 lengths. Then here comes Executive Order, now moving up to take second. Next online is Holy King, Mr. Cool. Oy, sobra na. Like twice now, moving up. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Shimarjo, Executive Order, Holy King. Then here comes Hoy, sobra na. Brushing about the outside, we have Shimarjo. Hoy, sobra na. Now saying it's my turn to take the lead. And finally the program opener, Hoy, sobra na. Shimarjo, Executive Order. Then comes Holy King, Mr. Cool, and Gifted Talent.